Let's go through how to tighten up the blade on your 24V-X2-17LM cordless 17-inch lawnmower. Now the first things that you're going to want to do here are you're going to want to make sure that the lawnmower is completely turned off, obviously with the handle disengaged there. And on top of that, we're going to take out the batteries and take out the safety key, just like this. Remove the safety key right here. And now you should be all set to work on the mower without having to worry about this ever turning on you. Now we're going to flip the mower onto its side here to take a look at the blade. If it's easier, you can feel free to remove the collection bag. Pick up the mower holding the front and the top handle like this, and you can turn it onto its side. At this point, we're going to need a couple of tools. First things first, let's throw on some gloves for safety. That way when we're handling the mower blade, we don't accidentally cut ourselves. In order to tighten the blade, all we're going to need is either a 16mm sized ratcheting wrench, or this can also be done with an adjustable wrench like this. This is your mower blade, and if you notice in this case, this blade is loose. It's not tightly seated here and can move back and forth. We can also tell that the blade is loose. You can tell right here that this lock nut is not fully seated, causing the blade to be loose. In order to tighten the blade on your mower here, all we have to do is take either that 16mm ratcheting wrench or our adjustable wrench, and we're going to tighten that nut until that lock nut is completely compressed and you feel that it's nice and snug there. I'll show it off just like this here. Starting with the ratcheting wrench right here, what we can do is set this to a clockwise rotation to tighten. Set that on top of the blade here, and we can start tightening things up. As the blade starts to spin, as you can see right here, we're going to grab it in the middle portions here. So these ends with the angled wings here are going to be a little sharp where the blade actually cuts. We're going to want to grab it right here to make sure that we're grabbing the dull part of the blade. Give it a couple of tightens here, and you'll feel it snug up. And you want to make sure that when you're done tightening this, and you can feel it get nice and tight, so you can see right there, that compression nut is fully seated against the blade there, and that way you know that this is fully tightened. We can accomplish the same task with an adjustable wrench, just like this. And there you have it. Now your blade's fully tightened, and you're ready to continue using your lawnmower.